As you imagine as it is, it happens. You set up a date, you arrive on time. You get a table, and you wait and wait and wait until finally you realize your date's not coming. You've been stood up, and everyone around you will know it too. Not because you're getting a drink by yourself, but because you've been checking the front door and your phone every 30 seconds since the moment you arrived. Believe it or not, getting stood up can actually be a good thing. It allows you to keep someone unreliable or inconsiderate from coming into your life. The good news, you're not going to die, and one day you might just even laugh about it. So the moral of this video is to tell you, it's okay to be single, it's okay to be alone during Valentine's Day. Learn to love yourself first before giving your love away. When the time comes, the right person will come along.